Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add PDF link in WordPress. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to add PDF link in WordPress. Now, after that, we can see right here the different options. But what we're going to do is to scroll down and then tap on this option. How to add and upload PDF files to your WordPress website. Just click on that. And then after that, you can see right here the step-by-step process. Now it will then direct you here, adding and uploading PDFs. So we just scroll down and we can see right here the first step. So the first one is to log in to your WordPress and then select media in the left sidebar. You can see right here the picture. And then you have to click the add new button. And then you have to select your file to upload or drag the files into the drop files to upload box. After that, select the PDF file. And then copy URL to clipboard. And then scroll down again and here you'll see adding the link to your page or post. So the first one that you're going to do is to edit the page or post where your PDF link is required. And then select the link button in the toolbar above. After that, select Submit. And then finally, update your page or post. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe